Hey viewers, what's up? I'm Bone Shaker, and today I'm gonna teach you guys. Well, I will do cooking videos, so anyway, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a hot dog pizza. First, you'll need frozen pizza from your fridge, hot dogs, out of the way, sauce. Step 1. Heat up the food. If you guys have an air fryer at home, you want to open it up so you can put your ingredients inside of it. Put your hot dog or pizza in the air fryer like that. Like, or 2 more just in case. Oh, another one. And there. Get it, hot dog, get it. Now, we close it up. Step 2. Set the timer. Now, what you want to do? You want to press on this power button. Once you get one, you see your pizza or hot dog. And I'm not going to show you the rest of the baking steps. Let's just skip this. See that, everyone? When that side says 0, it means both ingredients are done because we just used both of them. Now let's check it out. Yummy hot dogs. Want buns for that? No, because we're making a hot dog pizza. Let's take them out. Again. Step 3, construct the meal. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get a plate like this. A plate that is not gonna break. This will make the cutting of the hot dogs a lot easier. But we have to try it first. And kids, if you don't make it hot as big as your hot dog car, make sure you tie the napkin look like this so it makes it look like the car is holding. Sorry for breaking the fourth wall, but let's try this thing. Now we get to constructing. Next thing that I do is get a fork. You've got to be kidding me. I got it. Next, you place your hot dogs over here. Place another one down here. Wiggle it out. There we go. Now, step. We're not really this step, but we got the hot dogs. Now remember, kids should not touch these sharp objects. So ask the ground for help you if you want to do this experiment or a cooking lesson. Always make sure to have a girl by you. But teens, I feel like you'll be trusted with this. Just don't do something illegal with it. Now we cut the hot dogs. There we go. Now that is some chopped hot dogs. Let's put on the pizza. Once you make space for the hot dogs, for the pizza, you slowly, carefully place it down. Now let's create. And there it is. Make sure you flatten the hot dogs just at the right angle so to make sure they won't fall off the pizza when you eat it. Good. Yeah, I gotta watch my. Now, time for step 4. Add the hot sauce. Just be very careful with one. This is glass. No, just be careful. This is glass. So my husband enough hot sauce on the pizza for you, if you don't mind. Or if you have ranch, you can add that as well. Alright, here's the ranch. Now let's put it on. Got a serious amount of ranch on the pizza. That's good. What's this? If the ranch sauce is kind of like uneven to the pizza, just spread across it. Whatever you use, just don't make a huge mess of it. And there, I did the best I could, guys, so don't complain. Now, let's enjoy it. And that is tasty. Always, guys, like the video, hit the notification button, and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure to share out so you get all your weekly videos, and please, thank you.